Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to redeem codes in Destiny 2. You can easily redeem codes using the Bungie website on your web browser or simply open up the Destiny 2 application on your mobile device and sign into your account. After you do that, go to the bottom right hand corner and click on the More button. Inside the More button, click on Settings. Now, on the next page, click on Redeem a Code option. You will be redirected to Bungie.net website. Sign into your account first by choosing one of the platforms and follow through the instructions. After signing in to the platform using your credentials, you will then be able to see the code redemption page. Enter your code in the text box appearing on the middle of the screen. After typing in your code correct, click on the Redeem button in order to redeem your codes. Now you'll need to check your rewards as they will appear in your game. That is how you can easily redeem codes in Destiny 2 and unlock in-game items, emblems, and more. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.